everyone will have a different opinion, I think, on what BIM is and how it can be executed. And certainly as when you have different projects, the amount of I guess information required would differs from the complexity of projects. So in my opinion, information is the important part of BIM. So BIM, if people don't know what it stands for, building information modeling. Some people also refer to it as building information management. I think I is the key there, the information perspective. And I guess a lot of people also get a little bit maybe confused when they hear the word building. They think it's only relative to vertical buildings. However, it's definitely not just limited to vertical buildings. You also have those horizontal linear infrastructure type projects.
Yeah.
But coming back to my opinion on BIM, I think information is the important part. So we're now working in this world where data is key. We're not just, creating 2D drawings of designs anymore. We are building these robust 3D models and inputting all of this rich information that is captured from a concept phase all the way through to construction and even into operations and maintenance.
Yeah.
So for me, information in BIM is the most important thing. And then being able to leverage that information, being able to get insights out of the information that models contain, and then use that for, estimating and clash detection and, the ongoing maintenance of a project once it's operational.
Yeah. And I actually was speaking to one of the Autodesk specialists at a tech conference here a few years ago, and I actually asked him, how much knowledge do you think you have when it comes to the Autodesk products? And he's like, mate, no one in the world will ever know what we can do with this. It's just so much and constantly evolving. Well, I actually want to throw that same question at you. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think that anyone in this world will ever know everything to do with Autodesk, even in a particular software?
There's some people that come close.
Yeah,
for sure. I'm not one of them. But I get a lot of inspiration from seeing what people come up with, seeing unique ways of working with our software.